Number 8 here asks us to write each expression in radical form. Please understand what this radical means here. This means to have a exponent of 2, of a number divided by 2. Okay? So that's what it means. So what you have on the inside here is just an x squared. So that's how it looks like. We know 2 over 2 is just becomes 1. And we don't ever write that 1. So this can just be simplified to just x. Next, okay, let's write this base first. Okay, this time I'm going to write the base first. The base is x squared. Okay, that is the inside number. What is left is this square root, this cube root of 3. So we're going to divide this by 3. Okay, that's it. All right, let's start by writing our base, which is on the inside, x to the 3. Then we have this square root out in front, so the exponent is going to be divided by 2. Right? That's the final answer right here. Next, we have this one. The base is x to the 5th. Then we have the square root, so that becomes a divide by 2. That's the final answer here. Yes, you can simplify this if you want. Next, then we have an x to the 6, which is the base, which is on the inside. Then we have a square root, which is on the outside. So we divide the exponent by 2. There you go. Yes, this can simplify to x to the 3rd if you would like. All right, so there you go. That is how you convert from each expression that is in radical form into exponential form.